Alright guys, so it's bad lighting, you can't see. So we're at the Outback Steakhouse. Like I told you, I wanted some steak. And I don't think I might ask for no cornbread. They ain't got no cornbread.
They don't have cornbread in it.
No cornbread. Anyway.
I didn't do that.
She over here breaking stuff.
I was trying to show you the name on here.
Okay. Yeah, we have the Outback Steakhouse. That's it? Nah. And yeah, we're about to stuff our face.
I'm cheating my diet.
I'm gonna get me some collard greens and some cornbread sooner or later, man. But steak is on its way. Yeah, I pranked her. She got pranked. She fell for it.
It wasn't a good one.
It was a good one.
No.
She was tight. She was driving like this. She was
like
mad.
I said, do you, boo? Do you? Do you, boo? It was alright. It was okay. I was a little upset, but I'll be alright.
Don't worry, I got better ones. I got more. All summer long, yo. Bombing. Alright? So, we'll get back to you when the food get here. Alright guys, so we have, this is the baked macaroni and cheese. Can you see that?
That
thing,
delicious.
that thing looking icy, baby. Yeah, that shit look icy, you know. And then got my boiled steak. Yeah.
That steak is humongous.
And they didn't give me my stuff on my mashed potatoes, but
What you wanted? Some gravy?
some horseradish and
Oh yeah.
I guess this is it. This is the horseradish. And so like I said, we're at Outback Steakhouse, and we finna stuff our face for the second time today. Oh, look at my knife.
Why your steak looks more glossier than mine?
Cause I'm more bossier than you. You get it? Glossier.
Also cornier.
So
I think because I got mine well done, you got yours medium well, right?
Yeah. They cook the life out of that. Yours is dead. So if you're seeing like my mood drastically improve like in the last 3 minutes, it's because food makes me happy. And like I don't know if you heard, but I just spoke to the waiter and he thought it was a good idea, and she thinks it's a good idea, and we're gonna make the shirts. Food makes me happy. So you can get that apparel. You can send it to me. I mean, when you see it and you like it, make sure you PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. I take any kind of currency. I take cash too, man. So we're gonna dig into this mac and cheese first. Talk to them.
Okay, it got kind of like a little bit of like a tangy taste to it.
Yo, this little cast iron pan.
I want to take it home.
This cast iron pan is dope, bro. Like this shit
I'll
is
make
like,
all my
man.
meals in there. You think everything will fit in? I'm gonna make a piece of chicken.
I can get some cornbread in the little cast iron pan.
You're gonna cook his own cornbread. After that, Frank, you ain't get no cornbread from me. It's kind of like a spicy taste to it too, as well.
I need me a cute girl out there that know how to make some bomb ass cornbread.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
DM me. Nah, I'm just joking.
I ain't find that funny at all. I mean, what the hell you mean? I am cute.
Nah, I mean another cute girl. I can't like get an ugly girl that know how to make cornbread. Then I'm losing.
The ugly ones really know how to cook. You're crazy.
I'm trying to get a win-win situation. You know what I mean? Alright, I'm finna try the steak, man.
Mine's just slamming. I haven't had a good steak in like forever. It's just like melting in your mouth.
Yo, that shit is so good, bro.
Oh my god.
Like, I'm a master steak guy. I've been making steak for a long time. I do good. But there's nothing like a steakhouse steak.
I hate my haircut. Just because like when I come out,
That shit is mad good, man. So I like my steak medium well. You know what I mean? Like, you gotta have just a little bit of life. It's not complete that I can't eat it where it's like all red and it's still alive and it's like moving on your plate type shit. But it can't be like well done because then it's like, I don't know. She likes her steak well done.
Yeah,
that's how my mom used to cook it. That's how most black people cook their steaks. But you know, I'm a little different. This shit tastes great.
And it's lemonade. I told her to put an extra shot of vodka though. It was a little on the light side.
She can't drive anyway, so don't worry about it. This mac and cheese is good.
Really
where did we go that had the trash mac and cheese?
Oh my god. Where was
It was just the other day.
That was a chicken spot.
Nah, it wasn't chicken spot.
Yeah, everything's
This tastes delicious.
Good. Awesome.
We're actually doing a review for our YouTube channel.
Yeah?
A1.
Well, thank you so much, you guys.
Thank
I'm
you.
Lauren. I'm one of the managers if you need anything.
All right, thank you so much.
Stop bothering them.
I like this place.
What was the chicken spot that we went to? Like the Macros. The one over there by the village.
I asked you.
Yeah, we went there with the fried chicken. What's the name of it?
Oh, Blue Ribbon.
Oh, Blue Ribbon, yeah.
It's not by the village. That's on 2nd Avenue.
Oh.
All right, so boom, big thing. There's a Blue Ribbon chicken, and they're like really pricey.
Is that your knife that you have on my plate?
I gave you another knife, bro.
Why need two knives?
Stop interrupting me. Anyway, Blue Ribbon chicken. They're like super pricey, but their chicken is bomb. I don't know what they put in the seasoning. I've been eating fried chicken for a long time, but their chicken is bomb.
Yeah, the chicken
Now
is
we went there and we wanted to do a mukbang, but we didn't get a chance to because we was like being fat and hungry and the camera was in charge or whatever. But she got the mac and cheese for the first time. It was trash. I mean, like trash music. They use like fake noodles or I don't know.
I had no season, like, listen. I can make some baked macaroni and cheese. My family cooked some baked macaroni and cheese. That was not baked macaroni and cheese.
That shit cut nice and neat, man.
Damn, I got a picture of my face. That's a cute picture. They look just like.
That's his twin. Alright, so I'm gonna dig into these mashed potatoes. Can you see this?
I'm gonna dig into these vegetables.
Dig into these mashed potatoes. Tell you what it's like. Tell you if the mashed potatoes are hitting or not. So I'll try them by itself, right? Oh, they're not really soft. It's good. So I feel like you can't mess up mashed potatoes, right? Let's see what this sauce. So when I cook, I always tell the wife that, you know, I'm a saucier. Back in San Antonio in 1979, you know, that's what my station was in the army. You know, I didn't do anything but make sauces. So I'm a master
The man was
saucier.
born in 84.
So I specialize in sauces. So let me tell you what the sauce tastes like on these potatoes. It's kind of good. It's kind of different.
Yeah?
Yeah, you want to try it? You ain't finna taste nothing like that.
It's different. I don't want to. It's good.
It's like I never really tasted nothing like that before. Like you can taste the horseradish, but they did good.
Yeah, it's not like too strong. The potatoes is like it's like a mild horseradish kind of taste. It's good. I guess you're supposed to use it for
I
your
got me
steak
some
too.
rosé. I don't advocate drinking. But when you gonna get some steak, you gotta do it big, man. You gotta do it nice and neat, player.
Need some wine with some steak.
You can't drink no Coca-Cola with no steak, man. You can't drink no Pepsi with no steak, man. Yo, shout out to everybody that's been supporting the channel. I really appreciate y'all.
Definitely.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a bunch of we got a bunch more dope content coming for the summer. I'm bombing straight bombs for the summer. You know, nothing but banger videos. So yeah, hit that like button on this video. Share, comment, send it to your auntie, whoever. You know what I mean? Like I said, I appreciate y'all, and yeah, this is what it is, man. We're getting in there.
Hopefully you'll find other people to prank besides me.
No, listen. I got y'all. Y'all know who y'all is. I'm finna come for y'all, man. You know, we just getting started, so I want y'all to be prepared. Just know that I'm a savage. Ain't no host bars, man. What you know what y'all can do? You get DM me or comment below who y'all want to see get pranked next. Like who y'all dying to see, and I'm gonna do it.
And what, even if you like, you know, you have a certain prank you want us to do or whatever, you can just write that down as well. Give us some ideas.
We're gonna get it done. Yo, these little napkin thingies that's like a napkin and it's like a cloth. It's fancy, but
It's not like being mouth.
yeah, I don't like it. This sauce is money. I'm about to try the sauce
like
on my steak.
It's like the biggest broccoli. What are you saying? Like a whole broccoli like that?
You gotta make sure the head. I don't like the head. Can you hear her?
I said this is the biggest broccoli like I've ever seen. It's like huge. It's like a tree.
Don't make them think that you ain't used to big things going in your mouth.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Sorry. It's a family channel. You're right. My bad.
Ah.
Just tilt it up a little bit. Damn, that's a lot of steak.
I don't want a 12 ounce. I need a 16 ounce.
I bet you all the steak can get eaten. It may not
It better.
not get eaten right now.
It better. You want to eat because you ain't leaving this table until you finish that steak.
This cow sacrifice will not go in vain. I promise you that. How's the vegetables?
This is mad soft. It's good.
No? Forget about my mac and cheese. So, for those who don't know what we're doing, this is called a mukbang. Alright?
Itis after this.
Huh?
I'm gonna have itis after this.
Falling asleep after this.
Somebody's driving back. Not me.
You fall asleep, I'm gonna do the pushing you out the car with a car moving plate.
Alright. You driving.
YouTuber leaves girlfriend on the side of the road.
That's not even a prank. Me eating. Sitting here eating my food, feeling nice with my cup. Getting a little bit of the itis. It's been like 6 days since I had starch. So today's my first day eating starch again. So, I don't know. I'm feeling tired.
So, Lee's been trying the keto diet. Hey, right? We spoke about that earlier.
Yeah.
I might have, I don't know, I'm gonna have to edit some stuff, but I might not be in it.
I lost like 5 pounds in like 4 days, but I don't know. As you can see, keto's very hard. You gotta like cut out sugar, you gotta cut out starch, and I'm having a cheat day right now, so.
You know me. I'm blessed to trainer. I put that work in. I gotta feed them up. Anyway, this shit is good as fuck. Mac is good, the steak is good, potatoes are good. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to finish this entire steak, but I'm going to put a dent in it. I'm going to put a dent in this cow's ass.
I hope they let us keep the pan. I could barely use this pan at home. This is too cute. Like, look at this little frying pan.
You gotta Google and see you can get it.
Little frying pans are so cute. I'll probably get it from Burlington.
Little cast iron pan, right? Look at this shit, it's so juicy. I'm about to cut it with a fork. Tell me, you gotta consider going medium well.
Oh no, it looks pink.
So good.
Just be on the side, taking a little nap.
Cheers.
We're living our best life.
Living that blessed life. Yeah, I'm gonna write the dope ass like lyrics to that shit, man. We living that blessed life.
Ain't got time for you negativities.
I don't know what it is yet. I'm gonna put it together. All right, guys. Excuse me. Sorry. All right, guys. So this is our mukbang. This is what my plate looking like. My plate looking like that.
Yeah, it's basically now.
We're gonna finish tearing this up. Appreciate you guys for viewing. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. We need you guys. Again, if you like this video, let us know. We do a lot more mukbangs and we do a lot more mukbangs in different places. Big shout out to our boy Harrison. Big shout out to our waiter Harrison for being such a dope waiter. He made our Outback experience really, really good. So we appreciate him. And yeah, so thumbs up to Outback Steakhouse. You guys gotta go check them out. Anyway, we're signing out. You already know. We do 2 things. Either be blessed.
Peace.
Peace.